Good job, Cole. Hustle. Back check. Back check, Ryan. You skate fast. Go get him. Get him, Ryan. Good job. Man in front, Max. You stay on that man. You stay on that man. Man in front.
Good job, Joe.
Stay on the man. Max, stay on the man. Look behind you. Look behind you. Max. Max. Look behind you. Man in front. That guy was wide open. Hey, he's coming. Ryan's coming. Change. Change. Good job. Look around, Nico. Give it to Cole. Go to the net, Cole. Man in front, Max. Stay in front of the net. Max! Max, look behind you! Look behind you! See, you guys are wide open in front of our net, you guys. Defense all night long. You're letting them sneak in behind you. Look behind you and cover the man. Good job, Max. Good job. Whoa. Dump it. Dump it, Max. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Back check, Aiden, get to the net! Get to the net, go, go, go! It's the guy in front! Help out on D! Go, Aiden, that's your puck. Good job. Go forward, Aiden. Back check. Aiden, get the man in front of our net. Get the man in front of our net. Good job, Aiden A. Pick up that man. Good job. Good job. See, look at that. They're sneaking in behind us. They're two hands, Max. Two hands. Man in front. Man in front. Good job. That's picking up the D. Man in front, Cameron. Man in front. Man in front. Good job. Stay at home. Stay at home. Good job, Max. Get in front of the net. Max, if you're hurt, come off. Max, are you okay?
Alex, you ready?
Get him, Max. Two hands. Get it! Good job. Two hands. Good job, Max. A little more mustard. Man in front! Oh!
Mexico, scored by number 12, Wyatt Chartier, his second of the game. Assisted by 53, Ben Toby at 46 seconds.
Stay in front of this D. Don't let that D sneak in front of you. Man in front! Man in front! Man in front! Man in front! Good job, Tyler. Good job. Good job. That's defense, guys. That's good D. Good job, Tyler. That's good defensive coverage. That's what I want to see.
Here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Las Vegas Ice Center for your home of your life.
You don't make enough voice to
Your challenge, Riptide.
What do you say, dads? What do you say, dads? Look at, they're all hungover, drinking their coffee.
And in goal.
Alright,
The Great Wall of China. I'm thinking either Filipino Flash or Great Wall of China.
Yeah, no, it's the Filipino Fortress.
Oh, there you go.
The Fortress of the Philippines.
that's good.
The Filipino Fort. Shorten it up. Filipino Fortress. I like that. Filipino Fortress.
Where's the scene from?
Van Nuys.
West Valley. They used to be the West Valley Wolves.
We haven't played them though. We haven't played them in the season, right?
They're double B.
Just 12?
That's because we lost with set there. With the just concussion. Is that Cole?
Nico.
Way to go, Nico. Good shift, boys.
15, 14 seconds. That's pretty good.
Carolyn's Riptide Personal. Scored number 5, Nico Escobar. Unassisted.
Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. There you go.
Good play. Spread out. Spread out. Good play, Joseph.
Those are